Astronomy compels us to move upwards and takes us from one world to another. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dhruvika Chaudhary from class 10th A, and today I'm going to get you right through astronomy. Well, we all are celebrating Astronomy Week. But what exactly is astronomy? It is a science that studies celestial objects and phenomena. It uses mathematics, physics, and chemistry in order to explain their origin and evolution. Objects of interest includes planets, moons, stars, nebulae, and much more. Relevant phenomena include supernova explosions, gamma ray bursts, quasars, blazars, pulsars, and cosmic microwave background radiation. More generally, astronomy studies everything that is around or beyond Earth's atmosphere. Cosmology is the branch of astronomy that studies the universe as a whole. Astronomy is one of the oldest natural sciences. The earliest civilizations in recorded history made methodical observations of the night sky. These included the Greeks, Indians, Egyptians, Chinese, Maya, and many ancient indigenous people. In the past, astronomy included disciplines. Nowadays, professional astronomy is said to be as same as astrophysics. Professional astronomy is split into two branches. Observational. In this astronomy, it is basically focused on acquiring data from observations of astronomical subjects. And second, theoretical. These type of branches are made complement to each other. In theoretical, it is mainly oriented towards the development of computer or analytical programs to describe the astronomical subjects and phenomena. Well, it is a vast universe and there is a lot more to discover. So, why don't you give it a try? Now, here are further presentations involving Bhumi, Nishya, Sukhman, and Avishi with their entertaining and knowledgeable videos.
Hello everyone. I Sukhman Kaur of class 10th B is here to tell you about some amazing and mind-blowing facts about our beloved moon on the occasion of Astronomy Week. It has been rightly said that astronomy compels the soul to look upwards and leads us from this world to another. So let's start with how the moon was formed. To your amaze, the moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago when a rock as the size of the Mars smashed into the earth. Do you know that moon has water too? Quite amazing, right? Yes, the moon has water in the form of ice trapped with dust and minerals under the surface of the moon. Water has been detected on the areas of the lunar surface that are in permanent shadow and are therefore very cold. It is expected that water on the moon was likely to be delivered by the meteoroid impacts or by the interaction of the energetic particles ejected from the sun. Further findings also show that the water on the moon is not limited to the moon's cold and shadowed area and may be distributed across the lunar surface. Another fact is that moon has quakes too. They are not called earthquakes but moonquakes. They are caused by the gravitational influence of the earth. Unlike quakes on earth that last only a few minutes at most, moonquakes can last up to half an hour. Though they are much weaker than the earthquakes, but the reports also say that moonquakes can be strong also. Due to the shrinking, cliffs are formed on the moon's surface. This proves that moon is tectonically active. Beside all these facts, do you know that the moon is drifting away from the earth? The moon is moving approximately 3.8 centimeter away from our planet every year. So, these were some of the facts of the unknown universe that I hope have amazed you. Always remember that somewhere something incredible is always waiting for you to be known. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss 5 terms: star, satellite, comet, planets, and constellations. So let's begin. Stars. Let me ask a question from you. What are stars? Stars are huge celestial bodies made mostly of hydrogen and helium that produce light and heat from the churning nuclear forges inside their cores. Interesting, right? Do you know Sun is also a star? Satellite. A satellite is an object that has been intentionally placed into orbit. These orbits are called artificial satellite to distinguish them from natural satellite such as Earth's moon. All satellites are launched into space through one of two methods: hitching a ride on a rocket or riding into a cargo bay of space shuttle. Don't worry, looking typical? Let's understand this thing step by step. There are 4 stages in launching a satellite. First stage. The first stage of launch vehicle contains rocket and fuel for lifting the satellite along with launch vehicle from the ground. The second stage of launch vehicle contains small rockets. These are separated after completion of first stage. They have their own fuel tanks in order to send the satellite into space. The third stage of launch vehicle is connected to satellite fairing. This fairing is a metal sheet which contains the satellite and it protects the satellite. Satellite gets separated from the upper stage of launch vehicle. When it has been reached to out of Earth's atmosphere, then the satellite will go to transfer orbit. This orbit sends the satellite higher into space. It's a very crucial process. Comet, an object in space that looks like a bright star with a tail and moves around the sun. Planets, a very large round object in space that moves around the sun or another star. You remember? In junior classes, we used to make models on solar system. We have 8 planets in the universe. And on which we live is Mother Earth. Please save Earth. Constellation. Constellation is an area on the celestial sphere in which a group of visible stars forms a perceived outline or pattern, typically representing an animal. I'm so satisfied now because I've completed my job. I complete the 5 terms. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
मैं हूं निश्चय चौधरी, कक्षा 9वीं ए से, और मैं आज आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं जो कि है चंद्रयान 2 पर। ए चांद, तेरी जिद के आगे क्या मैं नतमस्तक हो जाऊंगा। तू ख्वाब परे रख दे अपने, मैं फिर से वापस आऊंगा। तू दूर भले ही है मुझसे, पर पास कभी तो आऊंगा। हे प्रेम अमर मेरा तुझसे, मैं उसको छोड़ न पाऊंगा। उस पार चलेगी जिद मेरी, तुझको भी याद दिलाऊंगा। तू ख्वाब परे रख दे अपने, मैं फिर से वापस आऊंगा। दूर दूर से ही मैं अब तक दीदार सदा ही करता था, पर न जाने क्यों अक्सर छू लेने का मन करता था। इस बार गले ना मिलने का शिकवा मेरे इस मन में है, पर याद रहे तुझको अब भी जज्बा बाकी धड़कन में है। हाँ मुझे पता है तू है जिद्दी, पर मेरी जिद तू जाने ना, दिन रात एक कर दूंगा मैं जब तक मैं तुझको पालू ना। ए चांद, तेरी जिद के आगे क्या मैं नतमस्तक हो जाऊंगा। तू ख्वाब परे रख दे अपने, मैं फिर से वापस आऊंगा। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Avishi Gupta from class 10th A and today I am here to recite a poem titled Planet Roll Call. 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus, here number 2, shining bright just like new. Earth, here number 3. Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter, here number 5, largest planets, that's no jive. Saturn, here number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Neptune, here number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. I hope you like my poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.